I am Dan Henry Tolentino, and tonight we're not just honoring success, we're celebrating it in style with the most fabulous gathering of iFern's best and finest.
This is the Top 500 Gala celebrating iFern's finest, a night to shine the spotlight on excellence, leadership, and impact.
Minsan nagmamadali tayo na maabot ang mga pangarap natin. Chill ka lang, lumingon ka sa iyong pinanggalingan at makikita mo na malayo na ang narating mo at malaki na ang nabago sa buhay mo.
Welcome to one of the most anticipated and dazzling celebrations of the year.
Awardees get the spotlight, but employees keep the lights on. Maraming salamat, iFern Corporate Team, sa walang sawang suporta ninyo. Ang daan papunta sa 5% ay hindi madali, pero sa bawat pagsubok at hamon, ang hindi tumitigil sa biyahe ang nakakarating doon.
Let's all rise and make some noise! iFern's President and CEO, Mr. Tomanita!
Failure isn't the end. Embrace it. Palagi ko sinasabi, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is a part of success.